Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix a Roblox error. And the error is join error. A HTTP error has occurred. Please close the client and try again. And the error code is 529. So if you're getting this error in the Roblox game, then here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix to run the Flizen application. So when I check the subreddit of the Roblox help, a user posting over here, a HTTP error has occurred. Please close the client and try again. Error code 529. And one of the user has mentioned over here, I just fixed it. I think the problem was an extension called Flizen that modifies your game. I just had to run it and my Roblox works normally now. So when I have done some research about the Flizen extension, then I have found this. I found the Flizen information from the GitHub website. I will provide this link in my video description. And here I can see that Flizen is a Windows application for intercepting and replacing Roblox game assets in real time. Flizen runs a local proxy that sits between Roblox and its server. So just download and install this Flizen app and then run it. And then you can go ahead, launch the game in Roblox and check if your error is fixed or not. Now if still your problem is not solved, then close Roblox client and then restart it. And then you can try to launch any game and check. So close the Roblox client. So right click on system tray and then select task manager. And here you can see the Roblox game client. Right click on it and then select the end task. This will close the Roblox game client. And then you can again run the Roblox client. So in Windows search type Roblox and run the Roblox. And then you can run any of the game from here and then check if your error is fixed or not. Fix 3 is to switch internet connection. Now if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then you can switch to mobile data via hotspot and then you can check. Or you can also try to connect to different Wi-Fi network, not the same Wi-Fi network, connect to a different Wi-Fi network and then check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall Roblox. So simply uninstall Roblox client from your PC and then just restart your PC and then again reinstall Roblox client and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. In additional tips, I would like to advise over here, if you're getting this error in the Windows PC, then you can try to play the Roblox game in your phone as an alternative. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve join error. A HTTP error has occurred. Please close the client and try again. Error code 529 in Roblox. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.